Today's video is about how to link your Exchange account to your TurboTax account. First, quick intro. Welcome to Pro Trade Series with your host, me, Peter Lykke, featured on these publications, aka XVG Whale, aka Pajama Boy, and here to bring you another video. And first, I'd like to remind you, if you comment on my videos, subscribe, hit that notification bell, like the video, you are entered to win free crypto. Even better if you leave your XVG Verge currency address or your Bitcoin address. And yeah, this is brought to you by ProTrade.tools. Juice your trades with coins of the day, as well as Arbitrage.software. Easy way to link your accounts to make easy, quick arbitrage trades. Great for making profit in volatility. Now let's get the video started. To this video, how to link your HitBtc account to TurboTax. Really easy. Sign up for free at the link in the video description. It's a web app meant for the sole purpose of calculating taxes for crypto. The IRS is cracking down on crypto trading, and it can be confusing to do these taxes yourself, but this can autofill your forms and export the data from the exchanges for you to automate this process. Link in the video description. Drop your XVG address in the video comment. Leave a cool comment. You can comment about my awesome Frankie McDonald collection for a chance to win free crypto. Thanks to my sponsors, I'm going to be giving away a lot of crypto throughout 2022, so make sure you hit that notification bell, hit that like button, and drop a comment, because the more comments you drop on more of my videos, the more crypto I'm going to give away. And also, let me talk about for a second here why I passionately hate HitBtc, and I highly suggest that you stop using HitBtc and switch over to a different exchange. Alright, when they first listed Verge on HitBtc in 2017, I was popping on Twitter at XVGWhale, RIP that account, and I've had up to 1 million page views a day on that Twitter account, and I promoted heavily HitBtc through their affiliate program. I had over 1,000 signups to HitBtc, and then their affiliate program was down for maintenance for like 2 years straight, and they just kept saying, yeah, we'll pay you when it's not in maintenance mode anymore. And you can look it up. Look up HitBtc affiliate program maintenance mode. There's people that have lost dozens of Bitcoin to HitBtc. The amount that I would have earned from my HitBtc signups in 2017 probably would be like, I don't even want to think about it, probably at least 50 grand right now. I don't know, maybe more. Because a lot of those coins, it was paid in different altcoins, so there's probably a whole bunch of Dogecoin, all sorts of different coins on there that are worth more now that would have been mine if they paid me, but their affiliate program just stopped working after I referred like 1,000 people to there. And if you were following me on Twitter, then maybe you signed up to HitBtc from my account. I want my monies. But anyway, that's not y'all's problem. There are some other exchanges that I do suggest in the video description, as well as how to link your HitBtc account up to TurboTax to pay your taxes this year and next year. It continues to update based on whatever IRS tax codes there are, autofills your IRS forms, and gets it done for you. Makes it easy to file, report your taxes. If you don't, the tax man gonna come after you. They're gonna come after you if you don't report it. All these exchanges do KYC nowadays. That means they report into the government. So, you gotta do what you gotta do. And there's another exchange that has a nice layout, kind of like Binance, except it accepts US users. I don't even like Binance.us that much because they don't list my coin XVG. XVG gets a ton of trade volume on Binance International too, and they allowed me to keep my Binance International account for like over a year after they kicked off most of the other people from the USA. I felt like a VIP for a while, but eventually I had to get off of Binance International as well. Anyway, long story. Yeah. Read the video description. And by the way, I highly recommend the ProTrade.tools. You'd be a fool not to use ProTrade.tools. My boy Nikola Delic out there, Brandy Serbian, his altcoin hot list daily, updated hourly, with hitting targets 65 to 75% of the time successfully, and that is money. That's money, and it's not like ditch the Telegram groups. Come on, step your game up. But then there's also, that's members only. If you want something for free, there's a free trade bot in the video description, something you gotta configure yourself. And then also I recommend, if you're not trading stocks, commodities, and forex, there are opportunities there too. And then also you can trade crypto on one account, and you can use a Visa debit card and hold your money without having to have USD in a bank account, and spend through a Visa debit card, holding gold, holding Bitcoin, holding altcoins, holding stocks, and you can spend with the debit card. Information about that in the video description. Join the notification gang squad unit task force. I just made that up. But honestly, I'm going to be giving away free crypto to people throughout this new year, aiming to upload 1,000 videos. And the more of those videos that you post comments on, the more chances you have to win. And it makes it easier for me if you post your XVG address or an altcoin address or your Bitcoin address. I prefer if you post one like XVG or Litecoin, something fast, to make it easier for me to send the transactions. You can post the paragraph of Lightning Network Bitcoin addresses if you want. But anyway, peace out, y'all.